In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the Epic Games Marketplace to download assets for your game. Now, we use a different program than Unreal Engine Editor. We use a program called Epic Games Launcher. And when you open it, it takes you to a screen where you can download games from Epic Games that you can play. But we're going to use it to find assets to add to our game. To do that, we're going to go to the Unreal Engine tab and then click on Marketplace. So maybe you're creating a game that you need some particular assets like certain characters, but you don't know how to draw them yourself or create them. Game developers can go to the marketplace to find things that they want to add to their game, such as grass or building assets. Or perhaps they want to do an underwater scene level and they don't know how to do the rocks or the plants. Artists can create these and then upload them to the marketplace for game developers to download. Sometimes they charge them. For example, this Arctic landscape is $13.99. Sometimes they offer them for free. For this lesson, we're going to find a particular package called Infinity Blades Grassland. Infinity Blade was a game created by Epic Games, and they have uploaded all of their assets for free, so we can use them. So these are all different packages. If we wanted lava for our game, or volcano type assets, we could download those. If we wanted some weapons to add to our game, we could download this package. When we go into a particular package, we can get a preview to see what kinds of things we're actually going to download. So this particular package, when I click on a picture, offers these particular static meshes, some treasure chests and some other things, some statues and some ruins. It even has some lava type assets that I could use, similar to how our lake came out. In this lesson, we're going to find out how to find the particular assets that we want, how to download them, and how to add them to our game.